Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to master your daily workflow in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Home dashboard, inbox, and filters to organize your priorities. First, let's start with Home. This is your personal dashboard. It automatically pulls in tasks assigned to you, sorted by due date. This should be your first stop every morning to see what's on your plate. Next, the inbox. This isn't for emails, it's for ClickUp notifications. Check it for comments, status updates, and new assignments. Clear it out to stay on top of team communication. Now, let's get organized with filters. Go to your main, Tasks, View, or any project. Click the Filter button. Create a filter to show only tasks with a high priority flag that are due today or overdue. This instantly shows you what must get done. Save this filtered view. Click the view name and select Save as New View. Call it Today's Critical Tasks. Now you have a one-click view to your most important work. You can also use the Me and Assigned filters in the sidebar to see only tasks where you are responsible. And that's it. By combining your Home dashboard for the big picture, your inbox for updates, and saved filters for focus, you can control your daily priorities like a pro. If you create a filter that changes your daily workflow, let me know what it is in the comments. See you in the next one.